Hi there, welcome to Mr. Gadget channel. In today's video I will show you how to create Facebook account. Start by opening facebook.com. Click on create new account. Enter your first and last name. Enter your birthday and gender. Mobile phone or email. Password. And sign up. Now you should receive verification code on your email. Continue. Your account has been confirmed. Here you can choose from cookies to allow all or decline optional. And your account is created. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.